Over 2 days, we had 150 participants working in more than 40 workshops on plant efficiency, all with the same objectives: performance now and getting ready for 2020. 46 mission-critical plants, 65 industrial peers coming from 25 different countries of the Lafarge Holcim world. This is just a platform for you to meet each other, to exchange, and to have this face-to-face contact. So it's really about you. If you don't find the problems addressed that will help you to make the next move, make a suggestion, put it on the marketplace, and we will take it up and we will organize workshops around that.
Our 3 priorities are, first of all, to have the right person at the right position, to find the best place according to her knowledge, her experience. Secondly, is improve kiln stability with also MTBF and NI. And the last one, the third one, is clinker quality. We have to find a balance between the clinker quality and cement quality in order to have the lowest clinker factor, as clinker has a huge impact on cost. So I think with these 3 priorities, doing everything with a safety behavior to guarantee zero harm to people, we will boost our performance in 2020.
I think during the workshop, I learned a lot of concepts and ideas and the technology usage and the tools, which is very preferable and helpful.
So the next steps is that the plant manager have now to decide which kind of actions they're actually going to go implement. And then I also encourage them to go home and actually share what they have been experiencing here with their plant manager, because performance only happens if they're capable to engage their plant people into it. So from now, what I expect them to do is actually taking 3-4 actions from what they've been learning, communicate that to their plant, associate them very, very clearly which the indicators they want to impact, and start measuring the success towards those indicators.